Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 13 powerful idioms from N to Z. Number 1. Not my circus, not my monkeys. It means expressing that a situation, problem, or responsibility is not one's own to deal with. Example, they're arguing again about deadlines. Not my circus, not my monkeys. I've already finished my part. Number 2. On the fly. It means done while something is happening, in real time, without stopping the process. Example, the engineer fixed the bug on the fly during the live demo. Number 3. Poker face. It means a neutral facial expression that hides feelings or thoughts. Example, she heard the verdict but kept a poker face, so no one knew what she really felt. Number 4. Queensberry rules. It means standard rules of polite or acceptable behavior. Example, it was ensured by the police that both the parties adhered to the Queensberry rules during their hearing session in the High Court. Number 5. Road to Damascus. It means a sudden and dramatic change in beliefs, attitude, or behavior. Example, after witnessing the harm his decisions caused, the experience became his road to Damascus and changed his life. Number 6. Straw that broke the camel's back. It means the final small problem or event that makes a situation unbearable. Example, after endless delays and mistakes, the missed payment was the straw that broke the camel's back, and the workers went on strike. Number 7. The proof is in the pudding. It means the true value or quality of something can only be judged by actual results or experience. Example, the team liked the proposal, but the proof is in the pudding once the product reaches customers. Number 8. Under someone's thumb. It means completely controlled by someone, at someone's command. Example, despite his public bravado, he was under his manager's thumb when it came to career decisions. Number 9. Victim card. It means to claim or present yourself as a victim to gain sympathy or advantage. Example, she played the victim card when the team questioned her repeated mistakes. Number 10. Where the shoe pinches. It means to understand the exact cause of a problem or difficulty. Example, after months of reviewing the company's finances, Daniel finally discovered where the shoe pinches in their budgeting system. Number 11. X factor. It means a special quality that makes someone or something stand out, such as an amazing talent. Example, despite his quiet demeanor, the rookie had the X factor that turned the game around. Number 12. Yoke around one's neck. It means a fatiguing burden. Example, I refused to be the yoke around his neck, and so I turned down his generous offer of employment in a job for which I was unqualified. Number 13. Zenith of career or life. It means the highest pinnacle of a person's career or life. Example, the birth of his daughter was the zenith of his life. Great job, everyone! You've just learned some powerful N to Z idioms that native speakers love to use. Before you go, test yourself with a quick quiz on these idioms given below. Subscribe to Lexicon Lane to learn more.